Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Winnie TV here at SMTconnect. And I'm with Drago, which I've only just met, and I'm looking forward to him telling me, first of all, introducing himself, but also, more importantly, about what is a key feature he'd like to discuss with us.
Yeah, hello, thank you for having me. My name is Drago. I'm the responsible product manager for the software solutions at ASYS. What we are highlighting here at the SMT show is some software tools which allows the customer to reduce the waste, meaning the downtimes of the SMT equipment, and by doing so to increase, of course, the performance of the SMT line and to at the end of the day, to earn more money.
I was impressed earlier because we had a conversation about the software integration of all of the machines, obviously way ahead of whatever I've been used to over the years working in manufacture.
Yes.
But I was particularly interested in the philosophy of trying to make it as simple as possible. So engineers, operators could go to one system, move to another system, and be able to be, have easy access. Is that a key thing that customers have demanded from you?
Absolutely, yes. And to be totally honest to you, I was a customer by myself before I joined ASYS almost 2 years ago. And basically what we are doing here is this kind of software solution I, as a customer, was always looking for. So, and additionally to that, we spend a lot of time on customer side, discussing with the customer what are their needs, what do they want from our software solutions. And I think the key success for our software solution is really that we put the user in the spotlight, so to say, and arrange all the softwares around the users to make it as easy as possible and as beneficial as possible for the user. So we don't go very deep by the we don't make the software very complicated like you would expect it from an enterprise software. Really try to keep it as simple as possible, just like your iPhone, one tap and you're good to go.
But again, you can still drill down if you want to.
Of course we can.
For more and more data that's hidden away.
Right. Yes, of course.
One question I've asked of a couple of engineers is that I have always said, as we integrate and get more and more data and more collection and more information, I still like to see engineers look at real things. So, and the point that was raised was that our systems, or systems in general, are trying to not have defects. They're trying to find the problem before it becomes a problem. But I still think that engineers need that medium to be able to look at data, but also to look at real things.
Right. So that's why I said so. What we're trying here is really to avoid the waste, and what one part of our software is doing is we're checking all the statuses of the machines and predicting when this machine will have an issue, meaning when the material will be off, so that the machines need to be refilled, and to give the operator the possibility to be absolutely relaxed, because with the watch on his wrist, he is, let's say, 30 minutes ahead of everything what happens at the line, and he can to make sure that the line is running, keep the line running, and knows of every issues which could occur in the future.
And what is the next step? What is the next thing the customer is looking for? Or if you were the customer, what would you be looking for?
The next step is really something what we are going to announce by the end of this year on our tech days. What we are going to do is to even push it a big step further by introducing our whole new software platform. It starts with the connection of the machines. So what we are going to do is to change the way how machines are connected to software solutions. And again, it always comes back to the same thing. We try to keep it as simple as possible. Think of your printer at home. You turn it on, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and immediately all PCs have access to this printer. And that's exactly what we want to do with our machines. Keep it as simple as possible. All the machines have to identify itself, and everything else we will introduce and follow this year.
So you said earlier that you were in manufacture before you
Yes.
came into this business. How does this excite you in comparison to some of the companies you dealt with before? You know, suppliers you dealt with before. How does it motivate you?
Well, I mean, it motivates in a way that all the existing solutions they work well, but they are really hard to use. So you need training, you need specialized training people who take care of this equipment. And what we are really changing here is to make it as simple as possible. You don't need special training. You can use it after, let's say, 3 minutes of introduction to the software solutions, and that's the most exciting part of all of this.
Okay. Well, Drago, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
It's nice to hear from you. Nice to talk to a manufacturing engineer who's excited by a new technology or new software developments. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.